way to get some early pictures done. At least the sun came out today. It was kind of cloudy this morning, but I'm dragging Brian to get some pictures taken with our dog. He's so happy, aren't you? It's kind of morbid, but our little Chihuahua over here she's 14, and we want to get some pictures with her because she's kind of slowing down a little. We don't, you never know what's going to happen with your little pets. So we're going to get some nice pictures taken with her.
It's nice to be able to edit things, but at the same time, I'm like, it'd be really nice if that weren't an option.
Yeah.
Then people just assume you can do.
Yeah. Oh, she can get the one that.
Hiking. There's a happy medium. Heather, you're going to bring your hand. Well, oh, those vines look so good. This one. Oh, what? That's so good. That's